So welcome to our Getting Started with Inventor tutorial series here. Now to begin with, we're going to look at the main page of what it all looks like, what's going on with it, and then we'll step through all of the different pieces of Inventor and how it functions. So to begin with, we take a look on the top bar, we have a ribbon here, and that's going to allow us to switch through different tabs to see different options. It's very much like the Microsoft suite of products that allows you to have different tabs and you can see what's going on. It's always going to default to the Getting Started one once you're on the main page, and also you have a normal file like you would in almost any other program inside of Windows. Underneath there, you have the New area, which is going to allow you to create 4 different types of files that are unique to Inventor. Now, these 4 files are really the only thing you can create inside of Inventor. There's different variations of those files, but you have a part, which is a single item, an assembly, which is made up of multiple parts, a drawing, which is either of a part or an assembly, and a presentation, which is basically allowing you to see what an assembly looks like, and then you can take it apart inside the digital world. It's a really nice, easy thing to do. And for the most part, we're going to stick over to part, assembly, or drawing. But for the beginning stages here, we're always going to be in part. On the top right, we have our projects area, which allows you to do some different shortcuts to different areas. We're not going to worry about this at all right now for our purposes. And then in this big area at the bottom, we have our recently used projects and files. So basically, anytime you make something and save it, it's going to pop up in here unless you have a pin file. Then the pin file will show up. And pin just means that you want to hold on to it to show it. Now, one thing that you need to be aware of is that these things will occasionally get cleared out if you clear your system's cache or anything along those lines. It doesn't mean that the file is gone, it just means that it's not in this kind of short area anymore. So you have to know where you save your stuff in order to get it set up and ready to roll. We're going to take a look at the interface inside of parts in our next video, and we'll get onto that in just a moment.